welcome back. So excited that it is June and so excited to share with you today about the business opportunity with 31 and the free gift that you can get this month, June 2023. So my name is Andrea Carver. I'm an independent director with 31. So excited that you're here. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. All right, so we're going to talk about the business opportunity with 31, okay? So as you may know, this is our 20-year anniversary. So we have been celebrating all year long, and we are celebrating by rewarding new consultants who join us in the business. Now, if you have questions about the business or it's piqued your interest a little bit, I'd love to chat with you and answer any questions that you have. If you do not have a consultant of your own that you work with, if you do, please definitely connect with her and talk with her about joining under her as a consultant. But if you do not, I would love to be your girl. I will say it's important to chat with your consultant or your sponsor before you join. Let her answer any questions that you have before you join, and we can set you up with a plan to go from the start. Okay, so think about why you want to join. That's super important because we're always going to ask you, what's your why? Like, why are you joining? Because your why is what is going to drive you in this business. If you're joining without a reason, then you don't have any reason to do anything, right? So if you're working toward a goal, that is what is going to keep you motivated, okay? So think about what it is. Do you want to make some extra money? How much money do you want to make? Do you just need something for you? You want to get out of the house? Do you want to party online? Do you want to party in person? Do you want a way to be able to give back and do fundraisers, help your community? Maybe you just, just want to get out of the house. Sometimes that's just some of us, right? Or maybe you just want to be in the know. You love 31, you want to know all the things, you want to share all the things, right? Think about your why. That is so important because it's going to drive you for sure. When I enrolled, I wanted to take my little boy to Disney World. I wanted to make my $99 back for my kid. I thought that's my first goal. The next goal is I want to take him to Disney. And buddy, I worked. I had parties. I had talked to people before I joined, and I set them up. I had like one in-person party. This was back in 2013. I had one party every month for my first 4 months. So I was earning all of my new consultant rewards. Plus I had personal volume, and I was doing all of the things, and it just started happening. I was partying. I was booking more parties. People were joining my team. So definitely come up with a plan before you enroll, and you will see success from the very beginning. Okay, so to get you in the door, you have to enroll as a consultant, right? If you're joining with me, I'll give you the link to enroll with me as your sponsor. And you will fill out all of your information. You'll choose which enrollment kit that you want. So we actually have 4 that you can choose from at 3 different price points. So I have this little graphic here. I'm not going to show you all the products because I've shared those in the past. If you want, I can link those. But this is our $69 kit. Then we have a $99 kit, this one right here and this one right here. So one is kind of for your home products, and this one is for on the go. And then we have our $189 kit. Now each kit is going to build on the one before. Now the special gift, if you enroll as a 31 consultant in June, you will receive a free bake and take party cooler in your enrollment kit. So here is mine in that summer ripple print. It's absolutely gorgeous. I did a sweet summertime personalization in navy on mine. Now the bottom actually unzips, and you can store your 9x13 casserole dish in here. I'm not going to open it up, but you've got an area right here where you can store things. And then you have a huge thermal pocket in here. I have stuffing in there so it wouldn't fall over, but you'll receive that in your kit, when you enroll in the month of June. Now, this is going to be a great tool for you when you start your business, okay? Now, the products in your enrollment kit are our top selling products. So we're setting you up for success from the very beginning. You're getting that Benjamin's wallet, the large utility tote, a thermal. You're getting all of our core products in our enrollment kit. Those are what is going to sell the most for you. But this is also going to be a great tool for you to sell and to book parties for. Literally, I use my bake and take party cooler year round. It is one of my favorite products when I'm doing church dinners, if we're going to a picnic or we're going to someone's house. I love this thing. So I love that we are setting you up for success from the very beginning. Now, we also have our new consultant program called our AMP Jumpstart. And so this is a program that new consultants are enrolled in the day they join, okay? So you can earn free product in your first 30 days and all the way to your first 90 days by submitting sales or personal volume in these timeframes. So this is my little tracker thing that I will email you if you are a consultant of mine. So if you submit $300 in your first 30 days, then you're going to receive the insulated bucket tote for free. If you submit $500 in your first 30 days, you'll receive this travel case plus a free website for 2 months. Is it 2 months or 3 months? Oh my goodness. 2 months. Let me double check on that. I know that. Why am I like blanking out? But you'll receive a free website for a couple of months. And so your website is actually the lifeline to your business. It's where you can share links with your friends and your family. So you'll get that website for free. And then also in your first 90 days, past that 30-day period, you'll receive, and all of these you get to personalize for free. You'll receive the double zip storage bin at the $700 level. At the $1,000 level, you'll receive the Commuter backpack, which is one of my personal faves. The $2,000 level, you'll get the puffer blanket. And at that $3,000 level, you'll get that large utility hanging luggage. And then also if you're sponsoring new consultants in your AMP Jumpstart period, in your first 90 days, you earn even more. You'll earn free product credits by sponsoring and building your team from the get-go, y'all. That is really where it's at, is sharing the business opportunity with your friends and your family and building a team and a community of your own with 31. Also in your enrollment kit, you'll receive a pack of catalogs, plus you'll receive our how-to guide, y'all. This is absolutely golden. So many things in here. It gives you the words to say. It's for framework. It gives you coaching steps. It gives you all of the things, helps you start your business off strong. I literally still have one of these that were similar from mine that I got in my enrollment kit. Also, when I enrolled as a consultant in July of 2013, I got a free gift with I should have pulled it out. I got a free gift with my enrollment kit. It was the skirt purse back then. And so that was so fun to get that in my enrollment kit. I can't tell you how many of those skirt purses I sold because I had it in my hands. And so I'm super excited for all of you to get the Bake and Take Party Cooler as a free gift when you enroll as a consultant. So thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, I'll link everything below where you can get in touch with me on Facebook, and we can definitely chat. You can also email me and I can answer any questions that you have about the business opportunity. So look forward to hearing from you. I hope that you have a wonderful day.